Put a sock on a broom and save yourself time and money with this clever trick. Start with a regular broom and a sock that easily fits over the broom's bristles. Then, grab some fabric softener. This household item has a surprising alternative use. Pour a small amount of fabric softener onto the sock and spread it evenly across the entire surface, making sure to soak both sides. This prepared broom will become a household lifesaver, offering multiple uses. Glide it over your carpet, and you'll notice the sock attracting dust, pet hair, and other small debris. No need for professional carpet cleaning. Plus, your carpet will regain its shine and smell fresh. Use this trick to clean walls, too. The soft texture of the sock makes it easy to remove cobwebs and dust from hard-to-reach spots. The broom with a sock is also perfect for cleaning floors, especially in tight corners. Thanks to the anti-static properties of fabric softener, dust won't settle as quickly. This simple, effective, and budget-friendly solution eliminates the need for expensive cleaning products or new tools.